Hello friends, welcome to my channel. The 2025 Chevrolet Corvette C8, a true testament to the future of American sports cars, continues to elevate the legacy of the Corvette. With its bold, aggressive lines and unmistakable presence, the C8 is not just a car, it's an experience. From the moment you lay eyes on it, you're immediately struck by its sculpted curves, low profile, and unmistakable mid-engine layout, which brings a sense of balance and elegance that sets it apart from its predecessors. The signature front-end design, complete with sharp headlights and an open, wide-mouth grille, grabs your attention instantly. The rear end is just as striking with sleek tail lights, quad exhaust tips, and a prominent rear diffuser, giving it an air of purpose. Chevrolet's commitment to aerodynamics is clear, with the C8's body hugging the road, ensuring it stays planted at high speeds. Step inside, and you're greeted with a cockpit that's as high-tech as it is comfortable. The first thing you notice is how driver-focused the interior is. Everything is within easy reach, from the digital instrument cluster to the central touchscreen. The seats, wrapped in leather and available in various trims, offer a balance of sport and comfort, perfect for long drives or high-speed corners. The center console is wide and features buttons and knobs that feel solid and responsive. One of the standout features is the unique steering wheel. Its square bottom and minimalistic design provide a futuristic feel. Despite its performance pedigree, the cabin is surprisingly quiet, with a good balance of insulation that makes for a refined driving experience. There's also decent storage space in the front trunk, thanks to the mid-engine layout, making the C8 more practical than you might expect for a sports car. When it comes to performance, the 2025 Corvette C8 doesn't disappoint. Powered by a 6.2-liter V8 engine that delivers around 495 horsepower in the base model, and up to 670 horsepower in the Z06 variant, the C8 packs a punch. The engine is paired with an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, which offers smooth and lightning-fast gear shifts. Whether you're accelerating from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 3 seconds or carving through tight corners, the C8's performance is pure excellence. The mid-engine layout provides an incredibly balanced and responsive driving experience, especially during high-speed maneuvers. The handling is sharp, and the magnetic ride control ensures that every bump in the road is absorbed, giving you a comfortable yet connected feel to the road. If you're looking for more power and adrenaline, the Z06 model with its 670 horsepower engine is nothing short of exhilarating, delivering race-ready performance with a soundtrack that's pure symphony to the ears. At high speeds, the C8 feels incredibly stable, and the combination of its low stance and advanced suspension system ensures that it grips the road with precision. It's a car that thrives on twisty, winding roads, but it also feels right at home on a track, where it can truly unleash its potential. And let's not forget the engine's sound. It's raw and aggressive, giving you that true sports car soundtrack every time you press the throttle. As for the conclusion, the 2025 Chevrolet Corvette C8 is a car that blends performance, style, and comfort into one seamless package. It's an incredible achievement for Chevrolet, one that will make enthusiasts and new buyers alike take notice. From its stunning exterior to its luxurious yet practical interior, to its mind-blowing performance capabilities, the Corvette C8 is a sports car that punches above its weight. Whether you're looking to make a statement on the streets or track your skills on the racetrack, the C8 delivers in ways that few cars can match. It's a new era for the Corvette, and if this is what the future holds, it's one we're all excited to see. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.